it's dying, Kelsey. You have to put
Well,
water.
how's it dying when I watered it every day?
This one here?
No, I like when you put flowers in here. So when it's winter, you can put it inside and then it won't die.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Gusto mo ingon na.
neat. Oh,
Okay, let's go.
okay, let's go. After, can we go for a walk?
Walk.
This is our hand sanitizer because we're going for a walk.
It's hot.
We need to find shade.
Shade.
Yeah.
Now let's find a shade so I can shade you.
No.
Oh, today.
It's working.
Hmm?
It's working, see? Mommy, look.
Paning kamot. Asa day ang kuana dapat na makaisip ka na kasi na something nga imo i-dig ba sa soil. Really? I think we have to buy something. Ka, let's go. Let's go buy something to the proper one. Cuz this is a shovel for snow.
Well,
This is not for that's not for soil.
Well, that's okay. We can just lose it.
Huh?
That's okay. We can just lose it.
Let's go buy a Dollarama then. Let's go. You wanna come with me? But you have to put that back. Okay, what are you doing? Okay, let's go buy something. Let's go.
See?
I know, but we need more. See, look at our front yard. It's really dirty. It doesn't look good. We will fix it up. And then we'll buy that. I have no idea what is. Remember I used it last time. When you clean something. It looks like this one, but it's smaller. A creek, something. I don't know. Okay, let's go. You wanna come with me, or you wanna stay here instead?
Wait, Mom.
Yes. What?
I need to show you something.
Okay. But you have to put this back.
Come on, I need to show you something.
Yeah.
I saw this small shovel.
You seen it? I don't know what she's doing here. Still on. Kasi pangalan anak.
My shoes are dirty.
Bukod chinilas dito ka. Let's go. Chinilas tata. I'm thirsty, Kelsey. That's my water.
Can I have some?
Yes, bring it back here.
Hello guys, so today we are gonna be going shopping and we are gonna be planting flowers. So, Mommy, let's go shopping.
Yes, we're going. We were gonna find something. You want more? Kelsey, do you need this one, Kelsey? A white color something? Do you need one? Oh no.
See,
You better grab that. I'll carry this for you. Give it to me.
I think we need this
You don't think so? Okay. How about that? Carry that. Pick that up. Oh, you need that? Do you need that? You need it? Okay, let's carry this. Let me carry it. Okay, let's take off. You have to change your clothes. I mean, for like house clothes, where you're gonna plant man. So, ang naay dirty man ka, dirty. So, we're gonna change, okay?
This is
What are you showing off?
this is short, so it won't get on my clothes. It will get on my
Ah, okay. Here. What, you only need one? Okay, use one.
Now we're ready to plant.
How many sunflower did you put?
None.
No, what do you mean none? There's so many there. One is good.
Okay.
I mean 3.
3.
Yeah.
1, 2.
Because we need to put there some. That's good.
Okay.
That's good. Do you know what this one is? Smell it.
Ew.
This is herbs. So you can put this on your salad. It's really healthy.
Oh.
You don't like it?
I don't like the smell.
You don't like it, but I like it. Anyway, just leave it.
Sometimes there's cats underneath here.
Bulaga!
Wait, there's 2?
Yeah, there's 2.
I didn't know that.
Maybe we're just gonna leave it here, this one. So that's it for now, I guess.
Yeah.
So Kelsey's hungry, so I'm just gonna leave this one here for now, and we'll be back. Are you that hungry? Don't do that.
I want watermelon juice.
I will.
No, I'm drinking the watermelon juice. Oh, a big one.
How do I do this? Can you put this away? Put this away. I don't know. Throw it out if you want.
Let me get this one. I'm gonna go bathroom, okay? I'm eating this one, okay?
Okay.
I'm eating this one. I'm eating these two, okay? So that's good for today, and we hope you enjoyed this video. So we're tired. Bye. Take care of it.